Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to keep your viewers hooked with a seamless video loop, maybe for a presentation, social media post, or just to set the mood with a repeating background, today's tutorial is for you. I'll walk you through step by step how to quickly and easily loop a video in Canva. By the end, you'll have a professional, endlessly repeating video ready to share anywhere you need that extra wow factor, and you'll see just how much engagement you can generate with this simple trick. Let's start right from the top. First, head over to Canva.com either on your desktop or using the Canva app, whatever's convenient for you. Canva is an online design tool that really opens up creative possibilities even if you're not a designer. So if you haven't used it before, don't worry. The interface is super friendly and I'll guide you every step of the way. Once you've logged into Canva, look for the big Create button. Give that a click and you'll see several options pop up. This is where you want to select videos. It's important to choose the video format from the very beginning so that everything is set up for animated content and the looping function works flawlessly later on. Now comes the fun part, choosing a template. Canva has a huge library of video templates from stunning intros to dynamic presentations waiting for you to make them your own. Take your time scrolling through and pick one that matches the vibe you're going for. Templates are a great shortcut because they give you gorgeous layouts, fonts, and movements right out of the gate, saving a ton of effort. Of course, if you've already made or recorded a video that you want to loop, you can skip the template section entirely and just upload your own video. Click on the Uploads tab on the left side, drag and drop your video file, and it will appear in your workspace. Don't worry if your file takes a minute to upload, especially with larger videos, just let Canva do its thing. Once your video is in, click on it to load it into the Canvas workspace. This is where you can make all your magic happen. And here's the key move. With your video selected, look for the Edit panel, which should appear above the workspace. What we're after here is the play on repeat toggle. Turn that on. What this does is tell Canva to automatically play your video again and again without stopping. This is the real secret sauce for looping. You're ensuring a smooth, never-ending playback, perfect for capturing attention or creating ambient video effects in the background. While you're here, why not up the interest a little more? Canva makes it easy to add audio right alongside your video. Click on the Audio tab, browse through their free music or sound effects, and drag a track onto your timeline. Adding the right background sound can completely change the mood of your loop. Think relaxing music for a calming background or upbeat tunes for something energizing. Just be mindful of the audio length. Sometimes you may want to trim the sound or even loop it to match your video's duration, and Canva gives you those adjustment tools right in the timeline. And that's it. Looping a video in Canva is really as simple as that. Once you're happy with your loop, just download your project and you're ready to share it anywhere, from social media feeds to Zoom backgrounds or digital displays. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button to let me know. Feel free to drop any questions or share your experiences with Canva video loops in the comments. I love seeing what you all create. And make sure to subscribe for more easy, powerful tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.